Good evening, friends, and welcome to the daily post-market technical analysis of Nifty and BankNifty. So, today's session has been largely a flat trading session. So, it opened with a gap up opening. So, the opening was almost at 177, and I have been mentioning in the previous analysis that 17,200 and 220 region is a kind of resistance level. So this is the first strong resistance for Nifty, because as you can see here, this trading session and this trading session tried to break above during the intraday on those days, but it could not, and after that it fell sharply below. So that has acted as a resistance today also. And if you can look into the intraday candle, so here one more interesting parameter is, as I have mentioned in one of the previous analysis videos, this is a wedge. Okay, this is the wedge, rising wedge that came after a downtrend, and I had mentioned earlier that this wedge can again play into the price action when the price comes near to that. So today the top edge of the top edge of the wedge acted as a resistance when price tried to go up. So this is very clearly visible uh, in the third candle of the 15-minute session of the day. So here price fell and took support at the top edge of the wedge, and let us call this trend line for the ease of pronunciation. So price took support from the top trend line of the wedge, and then after the next session price fell sharply. It came back and tried to go above. It did not. And the third candle, it tried to go up again, but after that it fell sharply, and then onwards we could see a down move here. So this failed, and after that there was a down fall of Nifty price. So this top trend line of the wedge is acting as a resistance when price went below it, and it acted as a support also when price came to it. So this can again play into action at some point, later point of time, when the price comes near that. And after this initial fall of the day, Nifty was mostly in a tight range, and we all know why this is in such a flat range today, because uh, tonight tonight Indian time, Fed rate announcement is expected, and it would be coming out probably around 12:15, 12:30, like that in Indian time. So that is like Thursday morning, midnight, let us say. So after that there would be some sharp movement in the stocks in both in mostly in US. So that in the rest of the international markets will be following that trend tomorrow. So we will be able to know whether Nifty will be going up or going down by the market open tomorrow. So as of now, today has been a flat trading session. But one thing to observe is looking at the daily candles. So Nifty took a strong support after a downtrend, and uh, the past three candles have been rising steadily. So as of now, Nifty is an uptrend. If the next candle, that is the Thursday expiry, opens lower than today's close, or at least within the today's body, and or it can be gap down also, anything is fine, but it has to close below 17,050 level, because that is near the opening of this green candle. If next candle closes below this, we have a resumption of the downtrend. Otherwise, if next candle opens higher, it can even be a gap up. If the next candle opens higher and goes above, then we have an uptrend intact. So the bullish rally may start then. So depending on tomorrow's candle or tomorrow's open, we can come to an estimate about how the Thursday expiry session would be. And we anyway, most of the information would be out by tonight also, once the Fed announcement is into the public. And coming to Bank Nifty is also doing the same as a Nifty. It is trading flat. So just like Nifty, it took support, and then there are three straight higher openings. But today's opening couldn't be sustained because it opened near a resistance. And if Bank Nifty opens, let us say this is actually a good resistance level, 40,200. Tomorrow can be if tomorrow is a gap up above 40,200, and if that gap up sustains, the Bank Nifty can rally up. Yeah. On the other hand, if tomorrow opens say like lower than 39,900 like that, then it may fall below. So again, Bank Nifty also will be affected. The movement of Bank Nifty also will be affected by the Fed decision tonight. So let us see where it is going to open tomorrow, and accordingly, if the opening is lower or the higher, one can trade in that direction. And so that is the analysis, post-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty today. And tomorrow is the expiry day. I hope everyone will have a good trading session tomorrow. So just look at the open tomorrow, and according to the open, trade in that direction. Most likely that direction will be sustained, but still manage your risk well. Please take care of your capital, and I wish everyone a good trading session tomorrow. Thank you, and see you again in the pre-market analysis tomorrow.